Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this exciting episode, we're going to be able to discuss how we can use some more features of Autosum. First of all, one thing that we can do here is we have a data set that has 5 years worth of data for each month of what the profit margin was. So imagine that you're asked to be able to get totals for what was made per year as well as what was made per month. We can simply select the range, come up here to our Autosum button, click Sum, go ahead and expand these columns, and now we get the sum of each year and each month just with one click. Let's look at another tip for Autosum. Autosum doesn't have to just use the sum function. If we go to the arrow, drop down, we can pick average, count numbers, max, and min. Let's go ahead and insert the average. Again, we get the answer per month and per year because we've selected the entire data set as well as the surrounding blank cells where we wanted the totals to be at. So that's just a quick tip on more features of Autosum. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.